Hello, this is Christy Martin from Happy Crafter. Today I am doing a pour using Artist Loft Ready Mix pours and some leftover paint that I had from a previous pour that had silicone in it. Lesson learned from this pour that apparently Artist Loft Ready Mix paints don't like silicone. Either that or it was operational error, in which case it's quite possible with me. Anyway, I'm using a 12 by 12 canvas. Paints I used are turquoise, red, blue, yellow, white, and I think the paints were metallic gold and black with silicone. Initially the pour looked gorgeous. I was just elated, thrilled, and then there it was, right there, trying to get rid of it, but it's there, right there. You see it? Ugly blob is what I call the pit. It's the pits. I don't like it. I don't like silicone. The only reason why I used silicone in the first place was because I wanted to create cells with the black, orange, and gold pour that I had previously done. So I've hit it with a torch, and that just made it worse. It brought up even more ugly black spots. It looks like my canvas has some kind of disease, and it just got worse. So whatever paints I had left over, I also pour them over a wine glass. Now, for whatever reason, maybe it's because the paints were flowing down off the jar or the wine glass, there wasn't as many pits in it. And you'll see in the pictures in a few minutes that it dried beautifully. And I have applied one coat of epoxy resin onto the wine glass. I'll still need to apply one more coat, but it dried beautifully. The glass did, but the canvas, it did not. Very disappointed in myself because I kind of knew better. My mind was actually saying, do you really think this is a good idea, Christy? Because I don't. But I didn't listen. So anyway, lesson learned: what not to do when you are using ready mixed paints by Artist Loft. Don't mix them with silicone because it doesn't work out. Thank you for watching. The rest of this video will be silent, but basically it's just pictures anyway. So anyway, before I end this, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell. I will be posting more videos as I do more pours, and I'll even be doing some crafting on the Cricut. So I'll be posting some things on there too as well. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a blessed day.